Come into Target with me and my kids as we shop for my older daughter to go to camp for 2 weeks. Okay, so we're in the travel area and we're getting this for $3.69 to put shampoo, some of her stuff in, and then she's getting extra bottles because there's not enough. Wait, not that one. Get this one.
Oh, what?
That one's $3.69. This is $1.19. So there we go. We have enough. I'm also getting a spray bottle for 99 cents. I'm going to make, I saw vanilla, cinnamon, and water makes a great mosquito repellent, so we're going to try that. I need a sprayer. And this is 99 cents. Okay, she's getting a travel toothbrush, $1.99. It folds into it, so she's going to be at camp for 2 full weeks. We're getting this Cutter Backwoods insect repellent. I think it's on clearance for $3.99, or at least I'm hoping so. Okay, I'm excited because she needs to take sunscreen. We got this one SPF 50, but there's a $2 off coupon and it's 20% off at Target, so it's going to be discounted, and the Target brand was excluded from the discount. This is $12.49, but also going to be 20% off, so she's taking both of these and then we'll get the rest at home. She's going to take some hand sanitizer for obvious reasons, and that's $1.19. This is more what I was wondering if you would want, like this. It's a lot more. You could share it.
Sure.
Okay, we are changing $2.29 to get this hand sanitizer with aloe, and we're gonna put the travel one back just a little better. I'm also just getting this soap for my husband's bathroom, $1.29. She needs more body wash, so she is picking the pink lemon and mandarin orange. It's $4.99. Okay, we're putting Sunbum back because this is $8.29 and it's also 20% off, so we're gonna get this one. Okay, this is actually what we're having for dinner tonight, and I didn't realize we only have 2 packs left, so I'm getting spicy soy noodles from Momofuku. Yummy. So we have been trying to get these and they've been out, so this isn't camp related, but we want to try Ryan Trahan's watermelon wedges, $4.99, and the sour strawberry ropes. We've already tried these and my kids thought they were good. They're significantly less sugar than other candies. Okay, because she's in a high school leadership program, they're able to bring some snacks this year, so she's gonna bring some gum at $3.89. Okay, while we're looking for Mila stuff, Cal found these and he's gonna spend his own money. How much is it?
$7.
I told him I don't think it's a great value, but that's why they have their own money. Okay, bud. Okay, he found a swap. These are $6. He's putting those back. Okay, buddy. And now we're looking at potentially getting some nuts for Mila to have in her what is it called?
Yurt.
In her yurt. So she's kind of a picky eater, my vegetarian, and they said she could bring some snacks to kind of supplement just to be sure. So we're looking. Okay, so Mila likes sriracha flavored and they only have little ones, so we're gonna actually get lightly salted roasted almonds for $14.99, and she's gonna flavor them and take them that way. Okay, Mila's gonna get apple cinnamon and strawberry breakfast bars. They're $2.49 a piece. Easy win for you, right?
Yes.
Okay, this wasn't on our list, but these Cal had fun with last summer with his friends, so we're gonna get green and pink. Pink's on clearance for $3.99 and green's on clearance for $2.39, but they're throwable paintballs, very fun, and they wash off, so we'll have them over to do that. Okay, so Cal's been bored looking for all this stuff. He gets to look at the toys. So we found a $1.50 pair of clearance sunglasses. That way if she loses them, we're not too sad about it. Okay, so she needed a white t-shirt for tie-dye. So she picked this one, a V-neck. And she'll get the tie-dye it. So it's $10, but it's 30% off through the app. So it'll be $7. So she also needs more of her daily face wash and to take to camp. So this is $15.49 for the CeraVe. Okay, so I think Mila's now all set for camp between the things that we got and most that we have at home. She's gonna be gone for 2 weeks. How will I survive? Obviously we got a few more things in camp, like the clearance paintballs or noodles for tonight's dinner, but any guess on the total? I'm gonna guess $120.45. Okay, so the kids wanted it on the guessing game. Mila, what was your guess?
$116.23.
Elsie?
$92.24.
Cal?
$125.
Okay, we'll see. Okay, I think Mila was our winner. The total was $110.11. We do have a Target Red card, so we got 5% off. If you like abnormal hauls like this, you need to check out a recent Trader Joe's haul we did. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao down and ciao.